Hello guys, this is Kamotes. Look at
About
this.
me, I mean a top one.
What twist guys?
Hi, how about me?
This is my cousin Areka. Very little.
But you are my sister.
I am not your sister, I am your brother.
Oh. My glasses.
Love, meron sa ilang love.
Mo ba?
Mm.
Mali lang baby.
Santiago Bay.
But I'm your brother.
You are not my brother.
Your sister.
I am a vlogger, not your brother.
But I'm your brother.
Bruh.
But you gonna
Ewi!
Mama!
You're gonna fall.
Nice view, right? Nice view, Kali. Asa sa Chile?
Nice. Look at the sea. I wanna swim in the sea.
No, I want to swim in the pool.
Okay.
Ulang to.
Unsa ta oras nabot ni na Chris?
2. The red was fresh fun.
That's in it.
Nice view, Kali, right?
Our doggies. Doggies.
How about me?
Doggies.
What you say to me? Hey, what you say to me?
I don't know.
Pinag-picture lang mo siya kung gusto mo para makita.
Sis. Ooh, doggy.
Kalik kinay-kilayat mo, kalik na ko din eh.
How about me, kuya? You with me.
Yo, the video is about to end in like 20 seconds. So I'm back with it.
Hanay, dere, makita lang.
What? Ariko.
Malingkod ta. Makita si
It's about to
Kali.
end in
Can I
3,
watch
2,
the video
1.